Hello everyone, welcome to my YouTube channel. Today we will discuss the Poisson's effect in the concrete. Poisson's effect in the concrete. As of now, just get the feel of this Poisson's effect of the concrete. In upcoming videos, I will connect this Poisson's effect of the concrete with the confinement. So, the concrete is made up of cement, sand, aggregate and water. The cement is the binding material which will bind all the materials together. Sand will be used to fill up the pores in the concrete. Aggregate will provide the strength to the section, and water will be used to hydrate the cement. Now take one section. Suppose I am having aggregate. Now in this section generally there are the three zones. This portion is the hydrated cement paste. These are the aggregates. And this is the interfacial transition zone. The paste which is binding the aggregate together, it is the interfacial transition zone. Now let us understand the Poisson's effect of the concrete. Suppose if the external force is about the 30% of the normal strength of concrete, then this interfacial transition zone will get reduced, or this transition zone start losing its strength. So at the micro level you will get some cracks or losing of this bond. When it will occur? When the external forces is about the 30% of the normal strength of concrete. Now take another case. When the external force is about 50% of its ultimate stress value. Then what will happen? This micro level cracks start shifting or start connecting with the B-sides cracks, like see in this figure. So this crack starts joining to each other. But here the lateral strain will be very less. Lateral strain in concrete will be less. So you won't get the complete visualization of the lateral strain in concrete, but it will be at the micro level. So this is how the lateral strain will start generating in my section. Now in the third case, suppose this external force is about 80% of the ultimate stress of the concrete. 80% of ultimate stress of concrete. Then the lateral strain in this section will be very high. these are the cracks started joining to each other, and the lateral strain will be very high in this section. Lateral strain will be high. And this is the critical condition for the concrete. When the external force is 80% of the ultimate stress of the concrete, then only you will get the higher lateral strain in this section, and this is nothing but the Poisson's effect of the concrete. Poisson's effect in the concrete. And if this value will exceed, or if the external force is greater than the 80% of the ultimate stress of the concrete, then failure of the section will take place. So for this video it is sufficient. Like as of now, just take the feel of Poisson's effect of the concrete. In upcoming videos I will connect this Poisson's effect of the concrete with the confinement. So thank you so much.